Let me know when you are ready to start.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome to another session of Know the Strategy. And this time we have Mr. Vishal Mehta from AlgoVidya to talk about some of its strategies as well and some of the very important algo trading related concepts. So I'll just give you a small background about AlgoVidya. AlgoVidya is deeply involved into creating awareness of the various algo concept, tools, strategies for the retail traders and investors and they intend to develop and trade a large portfolio of algos strategies that can create an overall positive impact for the users. So I request Mr. Vishal Mehta to explain the details and you can take it further from here.
Sure. Thanks a lot. Let me just share my screen.
So,
Voice is echo. Yeah. Dinesh, can you by any chance go on mute? I think so it is getting echoed. Okay, perfect. I hope you are able to hear me clearly. If you are, just put it on the chat so it becomes much easier. Perfect. And you can see the PPT as well. So welcome. First of all, thanks a lot for everyone to come on an expiry day. And I know we had a nice bit of smooth expiry, not that wild one that we usually expect the Thursdays to be. So thanks for coming. And we are going to talk about how the algos and what we are going to talk, different concepts. But first, I want to really thank Tritron, Umesh, Dinesh, and Vivek. I started way back, when Tritron was in its infancy. I would not call it as infancy, but yeah, it was about the launch phase around January, and I've seen the uprise of Tritron, and that also led me to write an article. What I believe, what they kind of bring to the market, algo but no algo. So that's what their tagline, and which is very important. So thanks Umesh, thanks the team of Tritron, so putting all this and giving retail trader a shot at what the big players are doing. So because up till 2008, it was like not even 2008 when SEBI introduced the algo trading. It was a big boys play. Now slowly and steadily, we have seen the retail space, kind of coming up big time, and it is actually for benefit for all of us because that brings in a little bit of discipline. I would say it's not going to remove your emotions, but if you are an undisciplined, at least it will bring you to 50% discipline because you will not have start and stop button every time you are going to do it. So we're going to talk about psychology of trading as well during the course of the presentation. So I'm sure it will be a very very interactive presentation. So obviously Algo Vidya is where I'm one of the strategists and I provide my strategies too. The most important thing, it's a vibrant Telegram channel, so all the clients who are running algos based on the Algo Vidya can interact. And if there are any issues or anything that is there, so you can always be kept updated real time. You can follow us Algo Vidya on Twitter as well. So a quick background about me. I am Vishal Mehta. I'm CMT Chartered Market Technician. I worked with all the companies that you can think of, at least in the financial domain space, starting from Spider Software, which is your Iris Plus, Reliable Software, which was Falcon, Fox Trader, you name them, Financial Technologies, your Odin. I got into work with Thomson Reuters, where I was, indirectly associated with Omnisys and then Bloomberg. And these are all the, exposure. My exposure to the institutional player came from Bloomberg and Thomson Reuters, and Spider and Reliable gave me an exposure to the retail trading. And this kind of really completed a bucket for me. I'm also the founder for a blog called as Market Scanner, where we keep on coming out with these strategies and kind of uh, educate people on different various strategies that we think can really impact for a retail audience like us. So it will be a mix of Hindi and English because sab jagah pe it's, there are people from South India who will say, okay, English. So we'll try to mix it both, Hindi or English mix karenge. I'm also a chartered market technician. I'm a chapter head for CMT. CMT is basically a technical analysis degree जो हम लोग 2 साल पूरा कंप्लीट करते हैं यूएस में, you know, the examination is from US. I've been to various countries. I've been to Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh. I've been, to a lot of interesting countries teaching about technical analysis and increasing the awareness about technical analysis and algo trading. I'm pretty active on social media, so you can always follow me on @Vishal Mehta 29, and the phone number is also available too. And I'm pretty approachable. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. Okay? So now, before I jump to the strategy, I really wanted to take you through the journey of how you should build strategy, because just, having a strategy, having a strategy does not mean that it will work forever. So there are certain, ways you can define the strategy. And this is when I start building any strategy, this is the cycle that I go through. There is a market observation. As a trader, you are seeing every day market upar ja raha hai, market niche ja raha hai. Certain days on a certain announcement, market does something. You have an observation about option pricing. You have an observation about how the volatility is impacting. You have an observation about the risk management. So all these things starts with a market observation. As a trader, you are sitting in front of the screen, and every day you are seeing these prices going up and down, and you start forming some hypothesis in your background, or your, sub observation in your mind. Now with those observation, आप एक strategy hypothesis बनाते हो. What do I mean by strategy hypothesis? Basically, अगर ऐसा ऐसा हुआ, if this happens, then I will do this. Okay? And if this happens, this conditions are met, I will sell. Or if these two conditions are met, I will buy. This is something called a strategy hypothesis. A strategy hypothesis is your entries in your system. But as everybody knew, Abhimanyu knew how to get in, but if he doesn't know how to get out, there is a problem. And risk management is your exit plan in terms of when would you get out, be it in profit or be it in loss. You need to get out somewhere, right? You cannot have everything all the time. So that's where you will implement risk management. From a risk management, what you will do is you have a strategy hypothesis, you have a risk management in place, and then you will go back or up chalu karoge, and then you will say, you know what, let me backtest those strategy. If I have certain ideas, whether it would have made money in the past. And that's where you would get a backtesting software, be it ME Broker, be it StockMark, be it Opstra, whatever there are backtesting softwares that you use, you backtest those ideas. Because if it has worked in the past, there is a higher probability that it will work in the future. But if it doesn't work in the past, there is very less probability. It may work in the future, but the probability is skewed against you. It's like this, okay? Jasprit Bumrah came as a night watchman in the test cricket. Do you think he will be an opener all the time? No, because he's a bowler. So there is always a higher probability attached to the strategy. Where it has worked in the past will tend to work in the future. And that's where you will do your backtesting of your strategy. And once you have an backtesting, obviously, there will be not an exact answer that you will get it. You will get a certain idea. Because strategy has some edge. And now you want, as a trader, want to exemplify or wo edge ko bada karna hai. That is where your strategy optimization comes in. Okay. There is a small difference between a strategy optimization and a curve fitting. I think so this will be out of syllabus question right now for you. But we look for strategy optimization, but not a curve fitting. And then what we do is we forward test, and a platform like Tradetron is a fantastic platform to do a forward test of any of your hypotheses. And I haven't come across any better solution when it comes to forward testing like Tradetron. Okay, once you have a forward test, what do? You actually trade it in live market. Okay, so that's why what we have started doing, हम लोग ने एक market observation किया. We had a market observation, then we created a hypothesis. That means entry कहाँ है, exit कहाँ है, stop loss कहाँ है, ठीक है? That becomes your risk management. Then we backtested those ideas. If I would have done this, what would have been the return that I would have generated for myself? Then we will optimize to a certain level where we are comfortable with. Okay, not a curve fitting ke boss best result in the history dikhao and then you trade it. That doesn't work in the future. And then you forward test those ideas, whether it really makes money or not. And if it still makes money in the forward test, you put it in the live market. No. So let's start as a trader. How did we go about building this strategy called as Option Mojo? So that's market observation. What is our market observation? Okay, so there is a saying in the world. In this world, nothing can be said to be certain except death and taxes. Anybody disagree with this? दो चीज कॉमन है, कुछ भी हो जाए ये दो चीज आने ही आने वाली है. Death and taxes, they are certain, and that's what told by Benjamin Franklin. But we are a trader. Death, taxes तो ठीक है, लेकिन in this world nothing can be said to be certain except death, taxes, and the most important thing is theta decay. Right? It is going to come. You like it or not, theta decay is a universal principle that is going to come. All the out of the money options expires worthless on expiry. Zero हो ही जाएगा. कुछ भी कर लो, भले आपको कितना भी अच्छा लगता हो, लेकिन आपका option, if your option is out of the money, be it a call or a put, it is going to become zero. And that's the fact. That's the certainty. Now, if I take that observation of certainty and try to build an observation, okay, I know theta decay hona hi hai. So now can I build something on top of it? And this is a classic, graph that any option trainer would teach you on. ये time value है, कोई भी option में there is something called as time value, and there is the time remaining to expiration. Now, if you see over here, okay, the time value is slowly, gradually eroding. Okay, there is a decay in the price of the premium. But the minute you become a weekly option, or if you just jump into near the days, what happens? The curve steepens. And in 2 days, it just becomes like a dead drop. It's like, our Mars orbiter were landing on the moon, but hard landing. So this is a market observation that we know that there is a time decay or a theta decay is going to happen. So that's your first observation. And let's take it to the next level now. So once we have known, okay, all the option expires, all the out of the money option expires worthless. That's an observation. Now with this observation, we build an hypothesis. So as an option seller or an option writer, okay, what should be our hypothesis? Sabse pehle, I will never trade, option selling as of now on Bank Nifty, because we know it's a wild animal. The minute Bank Nifty moves, it moves in a one direction. But for a Nifty, it's not a one index stock. It's not a one sector stock. It is basically a combination of 50 stocks. Okay. So now when we talk about the Nifty, which is like a 50 stocks, which is not going to move that much. Agar koi stock mein announcement bhi aa gaya, apna basically if there was an announcement on the banking sector, yes, it will have an impact. Okay, it will definitely have an impact. Whereas other sectors may be going down, and there is what classical thing happened. I remember on 1st of December, on 1st of November, where Reliance was down by a certain percentage, but the bank was pulling it up and it was trying to stabilize. So Nifty is much more stable instrument than a Bank Nifty. As a writer, the best time to sell is Thursday, and the best time decay or a theta is available at the money option. This is how, your market observation or strategy hypothesis is all about. And these are all known fact. Nifty is much more stable and a range bound index than a Bank Nifty. Thursday is where the maximum theta decay is going to happen. And the ATM is where the maximum theta is available. Now, once you have built this hypothesis, what you should do? Now we are going to put a plain vanilla strategies like a short straddle. Short straddle is nothing. Okay. Short straddle is nothing but at the money jo chal raha abhi Nifty is trading say 14,100 or 14,000, just for an easy calculation purpose. 14,000 का call or put बेच दिया मैंने. So that is my, at the money strike price I've sold them. Now, what is strangle? And I'm sure a lot of you guys who have been trading or attending this webinar, I will not be talking about what a short straddle and a strangles are, right? It's kind of understood that I'm sure you would have done that homework. And whenever the prices are above the ATM, it is short call price. And the strike prices which are below the market price is called as short put price. So there are two places where short straddle and a short triangle is available. These are all plain vanilla instrument. Now, a lot of people tell me that, the strategies are pretty simple. And we believe, okay, that a strategy can be written in the back of the envelope. Then you can trade it. अगर आपने कोई exotic strategy बना ली, okay, calendar spread, double calendar spread, which are very good strategies. No offense against them. In fact, I trade them. But short straddles and short triangles are plain vanilla. If you can manage that and you can trade them, the most important thing, you need to trade them. If you are able to do that, you can make money. And that's what my experience have taught me. Simpler the strategy, the better it is, or the better the returns are. So a Trinity trade-off diagram. So what we always believe, and a lot of people are in this business. I don't know which business are they actually, to be honest. कि मेरे को profit भी चाहिए, सबसे ज़्यादा everyday profit भी होना चाहिए, और profit भी बहुत बड़ा होना चाहिए. I don't think so. We are going to able to build any strategy. At least we at AlgoVidya and other places will be able to build a strategy which has a very high probability of profit and keep on consistently making consistent profit, which is good. But there is always a trade-off between the two. Okay. So now, this is how all the people talk about like trading strategy with high expectancy. मैंने एक strategy तो बना ली बहुत अच्छी सी, with a very high expectancy. And I know there is a dream that I'm chasing. पैसा ही पैसा होगा. I remember this was put up by my friend. And it's like, पैसा ही पैसा होगा. कहीं पे भी ट्रिट्रॉन पे सब जगह पे देख लिया हम लोग ने, नंबर्स देख लिया, अरे वाह 13%, 14, 15% per month. And then what you do is, oh my God, it's just like, start building the dreams, which we are not. Okay. So what is holding us to achieve our dreams? What did we miss on all this? We missed this part. Slippages, brokerages, and taxes. You feel that, you just, when you're going to put any strategies, a lot of people just do a back test and just put out good numbers and think that paisa hi paisa hoga. No, it doesn't work that way. Let's be pretty clear and honest with each other that making money in this market is very difficult. If somebody says it is very easy, okay, maybe easy for him, but at least I have not figured out a very easy way to make money. It is a difficult business to be in. And all these slippages, brokerages, taxes will definitely hold you back into your trading strategy. So forget me. और कोई भी आपको बोलता है कि बॉस मेरे पास consistently profitable trading strategy, check what the slippages, brokerages, and taxes that they have added into their in their backtest. And we put 2%. When we backtested our strategy, we said 2% on our option strategies, which is, the founder of our Stockmark, Nitesh, tells me, sir, you are the only one who puts 2% slippages, brokerages, and taxes. And my point is, agar मैं उसके बाद भी पैसा बना सकता हूँ, so then there is a very high probability that I'll be able to make money in the future. And guys, I'm using my words very carefully. High probability, not certainty. The minute I start talking about certainty, except the debt, taxes, and the it's all probability game that you want to play. Okay, so always check what are the slippage, brokerage, and taxes that we are going to put up. And we have put up 2% for every trade we are going to put in option. Usually we see 0.5 to 1%, but we know when the market falls, we have a slippages of 5% also. So in the long run, this will take care of them. Okay, so now what we know is theta decay. Now theta decay is happening on Thursday, but we can see the curve. The curve is steepening from Wednesday itself. Okay, so Wednesday and Thursday are my sweet spot where my theta decay is maximum. That's one observation about the market. And we always call it, right? We say that Wednesday is like a mini expiry and Thursday are the main expiries once this weekly option has come in. Now, just only one observation that we are going to make a strategy, and I don't think so I have to tell you this. Everybody knows that Wednesday, Thursday, theta decay hota hai. So no rocket science in this. But what about this? So what we did was from 2012 ISG, we took the Nifty price data, okay? And we calculate the range of the Nifty. And this table may look a bit complicated to you, but I'll try my level best to, simplify it for you. And this is all documented in our blog called as marketscanner.in, which I'm going to show you later on. So you can have a look at all this analysis, kind of analysis that we do. So when you say range, high minus low, less than 1%, means from high to low, we have calculated the range of the Nifty, and it should be less than 1%. Okay. So if you see on Wednesday and Thursday, the high minus low is always less than, about 53% of the time it is less. So that means the Nifty is remaining about 53% of the time in 1% band, high minus the low. This is all days, but on Wednesday, Thursday, we are seeing that high minus low, it is remaining in this range. And similarly, around 48%, it is remaining in the 1% band. Then what we calculate, high minus the open. So when I say high minus the open, how much it has moved from the open to high. And what surprised us is, like on Wednesdays and Thursday, it's about 67% of the time, high minus low, a high minus the open is less than 0.5%, which is a high probability, right? And on Thursday, obviously, it is a little lesser because the number of days will be little less. And open to low, less than 0.5. So usually what we have seen, the market actually drops much faster than it goes up. And everybody knows that. But again, this is proved by the data. Whatever our numbers are there, it is observation is there. It's proved by the number. But we can also see open to low, less than 0.5%, almost 47, 48% is on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So now, as a trader, I have an idea that Nifty on open to high and open to low remains between 0.5% and on Wednesdays and Thursdays. And Wednesdays and Thursdays are the maximum theta decay happens. This is called as additive. Okay, it's called not additive, multiplicity of edges. So Mark Minervini, who is one of the legendary traders, said this: in every trade you make, you should always try to stake probabilities in your side. And this was done by one of my friend Kevin, who is working with me on this different kind of projects. Now, it was a very interesting statement because as a trader, we are all hunting for probabilities. Although in our mind, we are looking for certainty, but realistically, we are all hunting for higher probability trades. And the minute we keep on adding more and more probabilities, the higher the chances that we will be profitable. Okay. So now if I know that a price range is remaining between 0.5% and there is a maximum theta decay happening on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I have a setup for me. And that means I do not trade. I repeat, we do not trade on Monday. We do not trade on Tuesday. We do not trade on Friday. We only trade when the probabilities are stacked in my favor. Then only I trade. Otherwise, I don't trade it. Simple, period. Okay? We only trade on Wednesdays and we only trade on Thursdays. So what I did, put all that observation, put it into a backtest, like a stock mock, which is a fantastic tool to do a backtesting. And although it is not written here, but we have put 2% slippages. So anybody who gives you a very fantastic result from a stock mock or any of the backtesting, just put 2% as a slippage and you will be surprised to see. I would have exhausted almost 3 times their maximum allowed quota by doing all the research. And what my final conclusion came to was, yes, there are very good people who are able to trade every day in option and make money. But the real edge is when you have put 2% slippages, because it is going to happen. And you trade on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Okay. And then it showed a fantastic result. But that was a back testing. And there is always a saying. I have never seen a bad backtest result. Okay, I'm repeating it again. You will never find a bad backtest result. The backtest results are always good. Okay. Are you guys able to see the screen? I just wanted to confirm. Yes. Okay, perfect. So, as we say, that you will always see a good backtest result. Never go by the backtest results. You forward test them. Okay. Because for the forward test, okay, for the forward test, that's where the real crux come in. And that's what we did. That's what we did. We backtested till June. And now we are talking to you after say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months of forward testing. And then only we were comfortable talking about this. These are forward results. Now, if you look at our forward result, we started around mid of June. And this is how our equity curve has gone going up. Okay, I'm not saying this is a holy grail. Trust me, guys, it is not. It is not a holy grail. Don't treat it as a holy grail. And the strategy name is Option Mojo. The strategy link is here. The point is, it is one of the good, robust strategy that you want to deploy your money on. Okay. And it is backed by the research that we have done. And the research is not very complicated. There are a lot of people fighting that, you know, for doing an option strategy, you need to know all the Greeks. Yes, maybe right. But what our forward testing has shown us, what our live trading has shown us, that if you build your strategies on a basic principle of trading, it seems to be working fine. Okay. And then there are people who can confuse you, you know, you should, IV is a component that we need to put it up. As of now, we are purely going by the price performance and the universal principles of theta decay and the range expansions, right? Maybe in the future, when we'll come out with more exotic strategy, we will include all those exotic Greeks. But as I told you, we believe in simplicity than the complexity. And that's what the AlgoVidya vision as well has been. And this is obviously, this is wrong. It is 2 lakh now, okay, because of the new margining that is, and we are going to talk about how the new margin is going to impact the performance of the strategy. This is our performance from June. This is how we have managed it. Okay. So this is our month-on-month performance for every month. Don't go by the percentage. This can be very misleading, guys. Okay. I change the capital, the performance becomes half. I change my capital to a newer margin, the return goes down. What I'm looking for is a consistency in my performance. Okay. So this is where we should be keep on focusing in terms of how consistent we are going to put and how, what is the standard deviation of my return? What is my Sharpe of my strategy? And obviously we are always working on to reduce this drawdown, because I still believe 14% is a high drawdown. We want to keep it till 10%. This is the focus of this strategy. So, important question, whenever I talk about any option strategies nowadays, everybody is talking about margin required. So we have put it, you know, in the option, whatever the margin calculator. As of now, earlier it was 1 lakh, but now with the new margin kicking from January, you know, with Zerodha or any other discount broker, you can get it at 2,07,000. Obviously, you will have a buffer for your drawdown, which is about 30,000. So ideal capital, we recommend to have it 2,30,000, which we have updated on the system. Now, what is August 2021? Anybody wants to take a guess? What happened after August 2021? Mr. Upi Gupta, you want to check because everybody is able to see the screen. Full margin. No margin, full margin, 100 increase. Everybody's aware of it, right? And that's what scared the full trading community. No additional intraday leverage from August 2021 in Indian capital. That broke a lot of hearts. And I'm sure a lot of you who have been living the dream of becoming a full-time trader, just doing an option selling, just came crashing down, including me, don't worry. And by the way, I'm a full-time independent trader, so I trade for myself as well. So this was one of the biggest, you know, kind of hindrance that happened to all our trading community. And no point of, you know, crying about it or whimming about it, because it is the fact. As a trader, we know we live in an uncertain world where जैसे ही हम लोग order डालते हैं तो second minute पे अपना stop loss भी trigger होता है and the market again goes up. Okay, so we live in an uncertain business, and that's why our rewards are also very high. So this has come in. Let's accept it and move forward. Now, if you go back and check what will happen to our strategy after August 2021. Okay, the strategy which was running at 2 lakh, earlier it started with 1 lakh, went to 2 lakh after January. Now it is requiring about 5 lakh 27,000. So a lot of people will stop trading this strategy. Okay, because let's be honest, like a lot of our retail traders, including me at one point of time, we were on this margin. This is our capital size, and I cannot deploy my full capital on one strategy. But that's the fact, that's the reality. And I'm not saying that you should only run this strategy, you should have something else also. So as a trader, you have to be cognizant and be realistic. Don't fall into the trap of higher returns, because higher returns comes with a higher risk. That's what like Spider-Man dialogue says, right? With higher power, higher responsibility. Similarly, with higher leverage, you get the higher risk. But here, what SEBI and everybody is trying to help us think it that way, that we will not blow up our account that easily. It really has to become very difficult for us to do any stupid mistakes to blow up our account. But the reality is, after the August 2021, the margin which was trading at 2 lakh, 2 lakh moved to 5 lakh 27,000. It may be disheartening for a lot of you, and you may stop trading. And that's what, when we say one door's open, one door shuts, the other door open. So before implementing the new margining system, SEBI came out with the new framework of margining where you can hedge your position. And I think so everybody talking about it. Okay, everybody's talking about it. And then you can see over here, if we had started hedging our positions, okay, on a one set of thing, our PA, like minimum margin requirement, has moved down from 5 lakh 30,000 to around 3 lakh 80,000. And I would put it around 4 lakh as my margin for this strategy. And that's what we are going to change, that you should have minimum 4 lakh to run this strategy. Okay. So no trying to sell you anything, giving you hard facts, that you make a conscious decision of what you should expect in the future. With me? So we started with 2 lakh, the new margin 5 lakh 27,000. But after August 2021, we'll make changes onto our hedging mechanism that will bring down the the margin requirement to 3 lakh 85,000 with 15,000 somewhere around as your mark to market buffer. And I'm sure you're going to run it with other strategies as well. Otherwise, if you are running with only one strategy, then 2 times of the maximum drawdown that has been listed on the backtest result I have to talk to you about. Now, what is this strategy ranking all about? So basically, Tretron comes out with this ranking every month. And he said, okay, let's say, where do we stand across the framework of all the strategies, around 200 strategies that we are doing it? Not comparison, but based on the Sharpe ratio. Now, every month we collated that, and this is how our strategy rank looks like. Okay, we started in July, so obviously we were quite low. August, September, we moved up our scales. Okay, so in September, October, we had one of our best months also for the strategy. Obviously, when you have the best profit, your maximum loss also comes immediately after that. So you can see over here that we have dropped our ranking in terms of where all the other, or maybe there are other better strategies that you can deploy your money on. But what we believe is we have built a strategy on a universal principle, and with right margin. We may not be the best one, and we will never be, because we are only going to trade Wednesdays and Thursdays. So our profitability will never beat 100, 200, 300% return per month. But yes, we will be consistently talking about 2 to 3%, 3 to 4% per month. And that's what I really wanted to emphasize on it. It's not, what do you call it, Virendra Sehwag of the strategy. It is basically your Rahul Dravid of the strategy, where you are looking for consistency. Okay. And that's what we have kind of tried to build on, consistency. So Tretron is the best way, where they do not delete the feedback about the customers. So these are some of the feedback that we have received. It's a really good strategy. I'm putting 5x onwards, making some big money. I highly discourage, but yeah, this is what people can do with themselves. But always try to, make some money. And I'll talk about the scale up plan slowly, how you should go about it. A lovely platform and a lovely strategy. I was scared, and this is very important. I really want to kind of put it here. I was scared because of loss for the first week, but then how the strategy managed to recover the loss and come in profits, amazing. So it's not, you're not going to make money all the month or all the week. There are going to be days or weeks or months where it will be loss making. And I'm here, or we are not here to sell you anything. What we are trying to say is, please make your conscious decision. Trading is not easy. It is difficult game. Okay. And very consistent strategy. Again, that's what we have been trying to focus on. Now, this also is a feedback, and somebody giving us 2-star is also feedback to us. Why in order today, instead of selling particular strike, it went into a buy, and we are not afraid of accepting our mistake also. Okay. There was an issue in firing the order, and we kind of rectified it. It was about 2 months back. And we have this Telegram channel where you can put, whatever your question related to the strategy, no other stuff, only related to the strategy, you can put it up there. So this is what our customers are also saying, good and the bad, and not, it's, I would say, developmental. So now a question to you comes, because we are a bit of different strategy maker. We don't give you a black box. Okay. We don't give you a black box. We have actually disclosed the entire strategy logic onto our website called as marketscanner.in. So if you go to this website and search for a new option trading strategy, which is there on the training section, the entire logic. So somebody asked why the strikes are blurred out. You can definitely go and look at this page. What we call as the TSS option webinar. So we conducted and disclosed the entire strategy with the logic, with the stop losses, with the target prices, everything that we talked about on the strategy, which is built on the Tritron. Okay. It's already out there for you to know. So you can make a conscious decision कि boss ये strategy मेरे लिए है कि नहीं है. It's not a black box. It's a completely open box where you will exactly get to know what are the strategies. So you need to go here and try to get this strategy for yourself. If you are interested to know what goes behind it. If you see the performance, which is good, and you are very interested to know how the strategies goes. Okay. Things to consider for this strategy. Execution range error. I don't think so anybody talks about it when they talk about algo. How many times has it happened to you? You put an order, you put a stop loss, okay, which was a valid exit stop loss. And when you came back and there was a big loss, not because of Tritron, not because of the strategy, okay, but there is a concept called as the execution range by exchange by themselves. So they have this very complicated way of calculating that if those options move in a certain time period, a certain magnitude, they calculate a range. Okay. And if your stop loss, which was a valid stop loss accepted by the exchange, is falling out of that range, exchange will cancel that order. Okay. It's not, again repeating, it's not strategy, it's not Tritron, it's not even broker. It is exchange who cancels that order. So as we say, don't consider this automated trading as a, set and forget. It is supervised algo trading. That means you need to know, or you need to look at it, what's happening with your strategy. Don't think that मैंने सुबह लगा दिया, शाम को ATM machine की तरह पैसा आ जाएगा. Okay. Even the stop loss market order Aluk gets removed if it is a far off prices. So if you sold something at 100 rupees and if you put a stop loss at 200 rupees, and if there is a big spike, the stop loss, which was a stop loss market order, which was sitting at the exchange, will get cancelled by the exchange. So if you are more interested, go to this particular, kind of exchange referral or Zerodha is put out, and you can just type in Google search, you will be able to figure that out. Option selling. We are all into option selling, and there is a risk called as gamma risk. That means near the expiry or specifically on Thursday when we are selling, obviously theta decays everybody loves, you know, but nobody likes the gamma. It's basically they will act like a future. So if there is a big movement happening in the last half an hour to 45 minutes, you will see your option doubling and tripling. And if you are not able to execute your, you are not able to exit your position, you'll be sitting on a lot of losses. But that's the fact. Nothing comes for free. If you're going to make money consistently every month, do you think the market is ready to give you money like this every day? No. Market will take back some money from you. But that is your time to be, in front of the screen at that point of time and make sure that your gamma risk is controlled and you are able to exit your position. Execution mismatch. There has been time, there is a delay in when we are firing the orders. But yes, that's a fact. See, at the end of the day, we are a technology company. Everybody is a technology. We are dependent on technology. Nothing works 100% of the time. I worked with multinational companies like Bloomberg and Reuters, who are the biggest and the best infrastructure in the world you can imagine. They also go down. And there have been days where, my ex companies have gone down for days. So technology, you cannot risk. It is a part of your, business risk. You are in a trading business. And this is the business risk that you are going to run with. So start living with it. Skip stop losses. As I told you, because of this exchange, or if you put a stop loss limit, okay, we just want to make sure that when the exit is triggered in the Tradetron and, there have been empty number of reasons, your account may not have the sufficient margin, the API drop has happened. There could be any number of reasons that happens behind that we are not aware of it. So you need to be, it's an supervised algo. It is not an unsupervised algo. And the most important thing is opportunity cost for idle money. What do I mean by that? Because we are trading only Wednesdays and Thursdays. Your money is lying idle on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. What should we do with that? I'm going to talk about that in few slides. But yes, there is an opportunity cost. But the easiest answer I would give you, if you're looking for a consistent income from the market, buy liquid BIS, which is earning you 5.5% to 6%. Let this algo make around 15% per annum to 20% per annum. Okay. And your liquid BIS will give you 5%, so 25-30% consistently. Consistently is the word that I'm trying to focus over here. Okay, guys? So, is this strategy for you? Who is this strategy for? This strategy is for trader or an investor, I have put it here, who are having investment and looking for extra income on their investment. That means you can pledge your shares, which you are not anyways going to do in long-term holding. Okay? If you're going to put into a long-term holding, your money, your shares are lying idle. If you want to generate a certain income on top of that, you should definitely look at this strategy because it's a low risk strategy. Who is this strategy for? The trader who understands risk and return of option strategies. Okay. Everybody understand this part? How many of you understand this part? Okay. So this strategy, and I highly recommend the people who want to subscribe to this strategy, understand this part first, then think about this later. So the risk and the return of the option strategies, this is strategy for you if you understand them. Because option selling is not an easy game. If market is going to give you free lunch, don't think it is going to be free lunch forever. One day it will give you like a Nirmala Sitharaman day, and it will take quite a few of your lunch. And so you have to work hard again to just make up your lunch again. For traders who believe in trading definable edge in the market, definable. So these are all definable. We have seen the theta decay happens. We have seen the range. This is for you. Who is this strategy not for? If you are a trader looking for excitement for every day, please don't subscribe to this strategy because this strategy is not going to give you an excitement. It's a boring strategy. It's a really boring strategy. Trades only Wednesdays and Thursdays. बाकी के दिन क्या करना है आपको नहीं पता. ठीक है? So it's a boring strategy, and that's what I believe. Trading should be boring. Then you will be able to make money. If you are looking for excitement, go to amusement park and enjoy yourself. This strategy is not for traders who are looking to generate unattainable returns with no risk. कितने बार आते हैं 100% return पर drawdown नहीं होना चाहिए. We say, boss, we are, even if you are able to generate 20 to 25% per annum, we are happy. 22 to 3% per month, we are good. Okay, so this strategy is for the not for the people who are looking for like doubling their money every month or every week. This strategy is not for traders who will set up and forget, as it involves monitoring of the positions. So there are a lot of people who goes to the offices and they say, okay, TradeTron पे चालू कर दिया, शाम को आके देखूंगा कितना पैसा बना. No, it requires a monitoring of the position because there could be so many ample of reasons. As I told you, be it strategy side, okay, be it data feed that we are getting, be it TradeTron, be it API that you are firing your order to, be it your API to the broker, be it your margin, be it connectivity from the broker to the exchange. And forget wo exchange ka bhi ek rule hai. Abhi, I think so few days back only exchange cancelled all the orders which are lying on, then we had a big drop. So don't think that this is going to be like, you know, set and forget. You have to be in front of the screen to make sure. So how do we scale up? And this is where I talk about, like a lot of people said, like, you know, I'm going to start with 1x and directly jump to 3, 4, 5x. I always encourage and try to show you this picture. There was a guy called Milo in old Greek mythology. Okay. So they had this championship of weightlifting, of bull lifting, not weightlifting. So they have this championship where they have to lift the bull. Everybody started lifting the bull, like full-fledged bull from the day one. But Milo was a little guy, like, you know, retail trader like us. And he said, okay, you know what? I cannot lift the full bull. I cannot lift the full bull. But what I can do is I can lift a calf. And that's what he did. He lifted the calf, went through the city throughout the year. Every day he will wake up in the morning, pick up a calf and start walking in the city. Now, as the days progresses, the calf started getting into a semi-side bull. What happened to the Milo? Because he was also, you know, lifting the bull every day or the calf every day, his strength also grew. And as the days progresses, it became a bull. And the Milo strength also increased. And that's how your scale-up plan should be. Just making a money on 1 month should not encourage you to jump into, you know, different axes. I encourage you to start with one lot. Continue to do it for a long time till you start getting comfortable with it and then move to the second lot. And once you move to the second lot, move to the third lot. Because the minute you blow up an account, it is a disadvantage to a lot of people. The biggest disadvantage to you because you lost the money. Second biggest disadvantage to me because I've lost a customer. Third, the biggest disadvantage to TradeTron who was running it and the broker. See, आपकी एक गलती की वजह से कितने लोगों का पेट नहीं चल रहा. So my point is, be very, very, what do you call it? Be very, very cognizant how you scale up your business. Okay, go slow. Market is not going anywhere. And this is what I always believe in. Okay, this is the professional trader and a Twitter trader or a successful trader. If you see over here, okay, this is all equity curve. These are the drawdowns. Okay, and this is what has happened. I'll give you an example. This was the live example. Okay, yeah, made money. Okay, made money. The people who started made money, increased their position size, lost money, got out of the system, stop trading the system. Why? Because they cannot think of कि loss भी हो सकता है. No, there will be losses. But the people who think that there will always be profit, get it wrong. And what they do is they, you know, kind of scale up at the wrong time and they, you know, scale up to a certain level. क्योंकि इतना छोटा सा loss भी looks like a big, इतने महीने की जो मेहनत थी वो पूरी लेके चला जाएगा. So you have to scale up slowly and gradually. And that's what we really want to focus on. These are all the equity curve that we also go through drawdowns. We also go through drawdowns. Nobody says कि अगर इसके अंदर हम लोग drawdown पे नहीं गए, then there is a problem. So everybody goes through a drawdown. If somebody says कि I always have a higher equity curve, it's lying. 80% of the time you will be under the water. 80% of the time you will be underwater. What do I mean that? आपने एक equity high बनाया, then you again go on drawdown, then you will have another high, then you will another drawdown, and you keep on doing this day in, day out. Then only you will become a professional trader. So we look at the Twitter traders, or we look at the screenshots of big traders, and we say, you know, उसने तो 5 लाख रुपया या 10 लाख रुपया एक दिन में बना लिया. No, don't go into that traps, because ये उनका capital नहीं पता, उनका risk appetite क्या है आपको नहीं पता है. So always try to, you know, go slow. And with this, you know, this is our strategy. And you know, if you go to the marketplace, you can type in option mojo on the strategy. If there is an option called as strategies, go to marketplace and type in option mojo. You'll be able to see this strategy. Okay. And so this is how we are going to look for executions. And so we are on a new year, right? So what's your new year gift for you guys? Okay. So this is the strategy. So the, you know, if you are going to say use a coupon code MS100, you will get, you can deploy it in your live trial account or live account or in your free trial account. And this is for the next 1 hour. So if you guys can subscribe to this on a paper trading also, that is also fine. Okay. But it has to be happening in next 1 hour. So that, you know, you get the maximum benefit and you can make the decision. With this, I open up with a question and answer session.
Yes, Vishal sir, I think most of the participants, they have asked the questions on chat. So if anyone have any questions, they can please write on chat, and you can read from chat and you can answer in that case.
Do we have anything on option buying? Vivek says, Vivek, I have created option buying strategy, and it's been there on a few platforms like LearnApp and eLearn Market, but that requires a different mindset than an option selling mindset. Okay. So that's a different strategy, but yes, we do have it, but we have not put it. And because it requires a lot of computational power, which may come in the future. But as of now, it is not there on TradeTron. Will I get the recording? I missed the first half. You know, Dinesh, you want to take this? Recording will be uploaded on the YouTube channel, right?
That's right. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Can this strategy work for 50,000 1K? No, sir. Rohit, no, it cannot work on 50K to 1K. I'm sorry, but you know, a good friend of mine, Madan, always tells me this is called capital market for a reason. It is called as capital market. It is never called a no capital market. It is called a capital market. Build a capital and then trade it, because that's the most important thing. What is the promo code? Promo code is MS100. To minimize the execution, we should probably on TradeTron, we should subscribe to continuous monitoring. It's called 2000. I didn't get that question part of it. Okay, I'm not able to answer that. Do you post Bank Nifty? Sorry, yeah.
So to answer this question, if you take even retail plan as well, and you run this strategy, you will get the condition check which strategy creator has set. So like there is a difference between for a retail plan and for the retail plus plan. But for a marketplace strategy, if you subscribe to marketplace strategy, whichever the condition check that is happening, that will automatically apply even you are a retail plan user. The cost remain 1,000 for a retail plan, and you can get the same continuous check if the strategy is running in that. Yeah.
Sure. Do you post on Bank Nifty option strategies? Not this strategy, because we believe that this is a neutral strategy and we wanted to keep it on an instrument which is more neutral in nature. So that's why it's only on Nifty. Samath, 1 month free. Yes, it will be 1 month free if you registered in the next 1 hour. Apart from strategy, I have any concern with the tool Choose? Can you explain a little bit over this Choose? Sorry, Prashant, I'm not aware of that. I don't have 5 lakh. With 1 lakh, how can I plan for full margin trading career? Saroj, friendly advice, build a capital to 5 lakh and trade it, because your probability of staying in the game will be much higher. Because as a trader like you, I started my career with this small capital, and I would have blown up my account multiple times. And I thought, or maybe I kind of calculated, if I would have just built my capital for 5 years and made a 5 lakh as my capital and traded it, it would have been much better than the blowing of my capital 5 times. Explain 1 month free and live trial. Basically, you subscribe to it and you can deploy it onto your live account also, or you can put it on a free forward testing account as well. So we have Nitin as our first subscribed of this thing. Thank you, Nitin. Are you available on any other platform other than TT? No. Can I buy through Alice Blue? I think so. Alice Blue is basically a broker partner. So you have to subscribe to TradeTron, but you can configure it to the Alice Blue account. Sir, मुझे आपका contact detail चाहिए. Sir, go to a website called as marketscanner.in and you will be able to get my details. I will put it on the chat as well. Okay. Please guide how to subscribe. I think so. TradeTron team is the best team to guide you through. So you reach out to TradeTron team. They can definitely guide you how you can subscribe. And I'm sure they have put in a lot of videos on YouTube that you can do that. Strategy URL. Okay. Let me see if I can just put strategy URL here directly. Oh, okay. Let me see if I can pull up chats. So today we were negative. We were slightly negative. Vishal, do you have any strategy which makes money in trending month? Not yet. Sachin? Oh, Sachin Tendulkar. No, I don't have any strategy. Deepak, any strategy on the currency? Vidya, Algo Vidya, I'm one of the strategists guy in Algo Vidya. So I'm sure Algo Vidya has one currency strategy that should come out soon. When daily, weekly, monthly is a bull, the strategy is risky when it covers PE after the market spikes down and vice versa. Any thoughts on tweaking it on a lower drawdown? Yes, we are always working on reducing the drawdown. We are working on trailing stop loss mechanism. As of now, we have simple set and forget rules on the stop losses, which has worked so far, but November taught us a lesson of the trailing. So we are working in a mechanism where we will trail. So, you know, your half of the risk is already covered. So that has already resulted into a lower drawdown, Rohit. So it should come out soon. Minimum investment, 2,30,000, Jaydeep. We have not kept any profit sharing ratio on this strategy, Kishore.
There is one more question from Mr. Paul Matthew. If you can just check on that as well. He's asking that backtest result was that for one lot, or does the strategy require multiple lots?
It requires multiple lots. Unfortunately, I cannot tell more on that, but yeah, it's a multiple lot. And just like, okay, as I have already said it, it's around 6 lots. And that's why if you see the calculation that I put it up. Ravi, you're very near, but you're missing the point. Stock options, Ullas, it's a very different ball game. And I would, be cognizant of developing any stock option strategy. Still, there is sufficient liquidity, even in Reliance and Tata Steel. Sometime I figure, I had run one strategy. I had difficult time executing them. Paul Matthew, your ask on August 2021, will it get implemented? Very much. Start living with it. We have started living with it. I don't think so they will reconsider it. Paul, it requires 6 slots to work on. We know yes, it only works on Wednesdays and Thursdays. There are many times when there are technical issues, Prashant. Prashant, your point is very valid. But I told you, right? We live in a technology world. There could be not only one reason where there could be a technical issues. People just talk about Tretron or people talk about the strategy. What about the margin that is not there in your account? What about the API drop that is happening at the exchange? What about the exchange canceling the orders? Okay. So we live in a business, never expect that you will have a smooth everything. Even the people who are running on co-location also gets dropped because of their lease line getting failure. So I mean to trigger this strategy manually on Wednesday, or is it it is configured inside, so it automatically triggers it. Shubharav, it was no, it is not an iron condor strategy, Shubharav. And if you want to look at the logics of the strategy, that's what I told you. We believe in complete white box rather than a black box. You can go to this. If you want, I'll just put it here on the chat. You can go to this link where you'll be able to get all the details. And you can, obviously it's a webinar that I've conducted, and obviously you will get the complete rules of the strategy. So it's a completely white box for you. Thanks, Ullas, for a very positive feedback. Where are the market scenarios where this strategy makes losses? This is a very good question, and I like to answer those kind of questions. Not sir, kya kar rahe ho aap? This strategy will make losses when we have a days like November or a month like November, where market goes up, then comes down, and then goes up. Super volatile intraday, which we have seen recently happening. After September and October, we have seen the market is having this phenomena that market goes up, goes down drastically, then again goes up, or maybe goes down, then comes up, and then again. So it's an intraday volatility that will be very difficult for this strategy to manage. On a low volatile, on a flat volatile, killing, on a directional day, it will make a good money. Like last Thursday, it was just out of this park. On 31st December, the profit was out of the park because it was a low volatile day. Nothing happened much because of 31st December, or market did not do much. Sure. So looks like all the questions are done.
Yeah, actually. So yeah, thank you so much for everyone joining in, and we'll upload this video on YouTube channel also. So in case if you want to revisit the points that has been discussed, you can check on YouTube channel video as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Vishal,
everyone.
for your,
Thank you, everyone. Yeah. Bye. Bye.